Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. Sure, I can take your credit card.
I'd like to pay for these items, please.
Let me scan your items first.
Can I use my credit card?
All right, your total is $45.60.
Oh, and can you give me a receipt, please?
Do you have a coupon?
Do you accept coupons as well?
Oh, it looks like your coupon is expired.
Oh no, that's disappointing.
Of course, I'll process it right away.
Well, I'll just go ahead and pay the full amount.
Thank you for your patience.
Could you hurry a bit? I'm in a bit of a rush.